Tom here, FlipAnythingUSA. So I pulled this video out of the archives. It's a couple years old. It goes to not allowing yourself to be discouraged, to work hard. A lot of times, it's frustrating, but that's what makes you the difference between you and people that are not successful. It's the fact that you're willing to do things other people won't do, that you won't give up where other people will. And look, get my book, folks. Wake Up and Smell the Real Estate. It's been a bestseller on Kindle and Amazon. It's $10. You could go to a free seminar and get ripped off for tens of thousands of dollars. It happens all the time. Or you can buy some crappy little course that the author isn't even the author. It's a joke. Enjoy this video. Take my word for it. You will be successful if you try. Tom here, FlipAnythingUSA. I saw a YouTube video about basically encouraging cashing in on class action lawsuits, like just sign up and join the band. And I was pretty disgusted, to be honest. But I realize it's an advantage to folks like you watching, people that want to hustle, because there's so many people now that just want to skate. They feel entitled. They don't want to work. You know what? I guess there's always been people like that, but if you're a hustler and you're an entrepreneur and you're a go-getter, doer, you don't even think about the easy way. You just don't even think about it. Why would you want to have things handed to you? Take things that you're not entitled to. I won't name this YouTuber out. I actually thought he was kind of a cool young guy, but then I see this, it's like, you might as well, teach people to scam the welfare system and things like that. Sometimes you'll have a city bus, it'll have like an accident or a fender bender on the street, and you'll see people run over to the bus, and they're not running over to help anybody. They're running over to get on the bus to claim whiplash and say they got hurt too. Really, it's just so different, and I'm starting to sound like an old man now. But there's plenty of young guys too that have had good mentors that understand, work hard. I think that it just shows how weak most of the crowd is out there, and that's probably why you don't have as much competition today, because people aren't hustling. People don't have faith that they can make it. And I know some people do just kind of adopt a bitter spirit. They think it can't happen, or just a defeatist attitude, but what a shame, I'm like seeing young guys that are already like, hey, scam the system, or if that's what we're churning out today, then, you got young guys that are, you see great questions and I see interest. You guys got it made, because everybody is just so, they just don't feel like they have any hope for the future. And you do. It's just easy to adopt that attitude. But if everybody has got this attitude, a goal you're going to set, shoot, you never get anywhere. But you can make so much money, and you can go so far in life. And it's like a cart. Start with anything. Start with something small. Start with some sort of item that you can buy and resell, and it's like, say, 10 will turn into 20, and 20 will turn into 40, and 40 will turn into 100, and then pretty soon you'll hit those big ones. 100 will turn into 500, and 500 will turn into 2,000, and then pretty soon it's 500,000 turning into 2 million. So there's a lot of opportunity out there, and I just man, I would hate to think that the folks that are watching me are adopting this kind of just weak thinking. I hope not. That's certainly nothing I'd want to aspire to do. But anyways, I could ramble on and on. I just wanted to get that out of my system. Anyways, hey, man, work hard, honorably. There's all kinds of great ways to make money, and just using your head and making a profit. The biggest opportunities in making money and making a profit are in used items, right? Really, it's used. You could buy a brand new house, but that's a brand new house. You're going to pay top of the mark. But if you're buying, a used house or a used car or a used drill or saw or whatever, jackhammer or whatever, you can buy it at a discount. Somebody else has already determined in their mind what they're selling it for. They just want what they want. You know what? You're satisfying what they want. You're buying it from them, and there's room to make a profit. I hope you enjoyed that. Folks, be sure to get my book, Wake Up and Smell the Real Estate. Enjoy.